up, y'all? It's me, Sista Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I've got an exciting recipe for you, but first, there's something I gotta get off my chest. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I move in positivity. I like to celebrate my Blackness. I take out time during the entire month of February to help all of us reflect on Black history and its contributions to American history. But with everything that's going on right now, one of the things we also have to acknowledge is the unfortunate part of our American history and just the history in general. And so it's got me feeling away, and I'm thinking about what we can do. So here's some things that I've come up with. One of those things is you can educate yourself beyond your elementary school knowledge of Black history and American history and the erasure of African American history. And also, if you find yourself in a conversation where you haven't had time to educate yourself and you want to be informed about what's going on, is take an opportunity to stop and listen to Black stories and Black experiences. The other thing that I like to encourage you to do is to put some action behind all of your newfound knowledge and enlightenment. And one of the ways you can do that is making sure that you are registered to vote. The last thing that you can do is something you're already doing. You can continue to support Black business and Black artists and all types of Black creators. Those are some things that I just wanted to share with you, my viewing audience, as I just encourage you to stay passionate, to stay open, and to operate in love. All right, so moving on to what today's video is about. I'm just gonna be honest, y'all. I have been craving elotes, or Mexican corn. Like, I just really want it. But now that I'm on this vegan-ish journey, butter, mayonnaise, and cheese, it's gonna be a no right now. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to veganize it, so that way you can still enjoy some of your favorites. If you want to see how I do that, keep watching. But before you go, you already know, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is take your frozen ears of corn and add them to boiling hot water. Pop a lid on that and leave them in for about 10 minutes until the corn is tender. So I'm going to use some tongs to go ahead and remove them from the water before placing them onto my George Foreman. So I put it on the Foreman so that way I can get some nice char marks on it and help release the sweet. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my vegan butter, and it's important to make sure that all sides of your corn are buttered evenly. And then we're going to go in with our vegan mayo. So I'm using just mayo. And again, you want to make sure that all sides of the corn are coated. This is going to help your cheese and seasoning stick. And now we've got our vegan Parmesan, which is going to be the placeholder for what would traditionally be cotija cheese. And again, you just want to make sure that you've got plenty of vegan cheese on there. This is a major key. And then the final component is the pico de gallo seasoning. And y'all, if you don't have this, you don't have elotes. And then cilantro is optional, and it's time to enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.